Who trying to get Dome up in this lobby? I mean, get a kill.
Am I staying on the? Am I on the platform?
Oh shoot. Hold on.
No.
Yeah, I'll pause and watch you, Evan.
Let's go.
This music is dumb.
I didn't see him. I'm pretty sure they're just gonna come mid.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, they probably gonna. Yeah, they definitely.
He's perfect. Look at how beautiful she is.
I'm gonna just rotate B immediately.
Oh, is that Queen Slime?
Yep.
Look at how beautiful she is.
I'd hit.
Nah.
Not until you wait. What sound she makes when she dies?
Oh, I bet it's so
Is
hot.
it?
I don't think you do.
Oh my god.
How do I make custom resource packs?
Did not mean to do
For
that.
Minecraft?
Yeah.
Guys, when are we doing GTA races?
Ugh.
Huh?
Evan, were you doing GTA races with us?
I was trying to get drugs and I couldn't get drugs.
Just trying to get that
Evan, you
dime.
really gotta play GTA races with us.
Well, I have to get the drugs first. I don't know how to get. Well, I do know how to get the drugs. It's just the dude that had the drugs stole my fast car, and I was like, nah, f this. I'm out of here.
Evan, I didn't know you were into that kind of
Shit.
stuff.
Are you on the intro mission to the story?
Yeah, yeah. I don't play GTA a whole lot, so I had to do that.
One
Oh,
range
that's
brimstone.
super
I'm not
easy.
sure which one it is.
Wait.
There's
You might
a
just be
raid
able to hit
and
escape and
brimstone
go into
here.
online.
Yeah.
Damn.
Evan, have you gotten out of this area yet?
No.
Thank you.
I think one
Why is the
was-
world upside down?
I don't know.
Because I'm using a gravitation potion. It makes her way easier.
Yeah, that's
Son of a whore.
Because her projectiles go downward, much like most of the projectiles in the world.
True.
Oh
That
my
is very
god.
true, Evan.
Alright, well, one more. Still up top.
So if I just place myself upward,
usually works.
she can't really hit me. Unless I'm stupid.
Damn. What a lucky duckling.
I was gonna one-shot you.
There is a boss that one-shots you, but not this one. If she hits me, it does tons of damage. Let's go. And let's hope I get my summoner thing that I want. See, that does tons. I didn't even use all my buffs.
You're so good.
Let's go. I got it.